Yeah, it's a covered bridge. I love my bridge porn.
Okay, so we haven't done one of these.
Ooh, we haven't done a covered bridge.
So this is like Vermont.
Yeah, it's like Vermont.
Yeah, that's cool. It's the
That's pretty
Livingston
cool.
Manor Covered Bridge.
That's the Livingston Manor Covered Bridge. I'm gonna film it. Pulling in here. So this is the Livingston Manor Covered Bridge, formerly Mott's Flat Bridge, laterly known as the Vatron. Originally Town Lattice Truss, built by John Davidson in 1860. And this thing is super freaking cool. Look at this bridge. Yep, he's going through. Here we go. There he goes. It is such a beautiful bridge.